Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and this is the Australian dollar US dollar weighted way into the US session, because if you're looking at the markets, you're seeing that basically the equity markets are recovering a bit the lost ground on the FOMC statement and meeting the other day, and therefore the commodity currencies are following, because usually the commodity currencies are going with the equity market in the United States. I'm talking about the Australian dollar, US dollar, or they are directly correlated or inverse correlated when US dollar, Canadian dollar is looking at in comparison. Now, the thing that we are looking for, or let's say the pattern that we are looking for here, is a flat. The flat starts from these lows here and goes into these highs here. And the most important thing of them all is the fact that these highs have been broken. See here, these are the highs, price comes and breaks the highs. So I'm looking at wave A to the upside, B, and then a C wave here, and this is being called a terminal impulsive move. Usually a terminal impulsive move has the shape of a wedge. This one also has the shape of a wedge, but it is not the wedge that we are looking for here, but we are looking for the five-way structure, in this case to the upside, that should be corrective, and all of them here are correct. You might say, how come this is an impulsive move? It is not, because in an impulsive move you need at least one wave to be extended, and you don't have an extended wave here. The extension means to be bigger than 161.8 when compared with the next longest wave. It is not the case here. It is simply not the case. Therefore, the flat I am talking about is, let me put this one a bit lower. So the flat I am talking about is this to the upside to be only wave A, then the move to the downside that comes in the form of a zigzag, A, B, C, to be the B wave. Then the move to the upside there to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, terminal impulsive move, the C wave. And there you go. We had the flat that is being completed. Now, the thing is that in a flat we have some specific rules that requires the time element to be taken into consideration, and when you trade binary options and you hear about time, you should have a click in your mind directly, because in a binary option, or in order for a binary option to be successful, then it needs to expire in the money. So what we're looking for? We're looking for this trend line to be broken in any flat that acts as an independent pattern. So this trend line here needs to be broken in less than the time taken for the C wave to form. So measuring the time taken for the C wave, projecting it on the right side there, and you'll have an educated guess, something like this, about what is the target. This is the target. What is the time? This is the time. So what do you want to do? Well, I want to buy put options with end of week expiration date, end of week being tomorrow. So waiting for that spike higher, and here I would like to buy them put options. So let's write on the screen our plan that we are buying put options with end of week expiration date. That is the plan, that is the analysis, and this is what we are going to do. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all this analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lion Knife. Bye bye.